Shib holders, welcome back. Welcome back. Shib Army, let's talk about it. Let's get into some exciting news because in this time and turmoil that we're seeing in the markets where the price action is really preceding any kind of activity and sentiment we have as holders, Shibarium may be actually waking up. And this is something where we talk about Shibarium and what the end goal is, how does this going to impact Shibarium and Shiba Inu, and what this is going to do to Shib's price. Well, we need it, and it's something I think sets apart Shib from other blockchains is that they actually do have Shibarium. I know some of the updates within Shib the metaverse. We talk about other ecosystem tokens, Bone, Treat, a lot of the other projects. One of them that I'm extremely bullish on that has a lot of room to run is K9 Finance. We do talk about that a lot. But this is where Shibarium is finally waking up in terms of DeFi numbers. So I want to bring that to your guys' attention. If you're new to the channel, this is a perfect time to do so. Make sure you subscribe down below. Smash that like button. We do talk Shib basically every day. So welcome to the channel, and let's get down into it, okay? And obviously, guys, not financial advice. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, so make sure you guys do your own research and due diligence, okay? But as we look for new kind of highlights in the market, new growth, new kind of indications that we should be buying crypto, we need to focus on the DeFi ecosystem with Shibarium, okay? Now, the expectations, they're looking to compete and sustain growth with other layer 2 solutions such as Arbitrum. And right now the momentum is relatively slow. We have not seen that push, that catalyst from Shibarium that we all wanted, that we all expected. It was kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event. But into the data from DeFi Llama, Shibarium's DeFi activity of TVL is 4.37 million. This is something as we've seen this metric cross an all-time high of 4.81 million. Now that may look small, but this is a significant boost from the previous high of 3.9 million that we had back in March. And the biggest DApp still remains Shiba Swap that has $2.22 million in total value locked. Okay, K9 Finance is second, and that's where we talk about that DAO being one of the more bullish kind of highlights within the Shibarium ecosystem. Okay. But the impact that we're seeing from Shibarium has really not been felt. We've been in a strong consolidation period for Shib within the price targets over the last month being a very tight range. We have not seen the whales kind of take control of the charts. They've erased a lot of the gains that we've had. We're down 3.58% in the last 24 hours at the time of this recording. But we have seen Shib historically bounce off of these really big downturns. And the latest trend that we might see, this is something where Shibarium and what they're doing, we could see a little bit more of an increase of the burn rate. We could see a little bit more of the increase of the data on chain, all this promising, these metrics, these data points that we talk about with all the numbers and total value locked. That's where we need to feel the price impact, because if that is something where Shib's utility continues to grow over the long term, this is where Shibarium is going to have their effect on the price action for Shiba Inu. So as it stands today, we'll take a quick dive into it. This is where you can look at kind of what's plaguing the market. Me personally, when I look at it, I kind of allude to the metrics here within CoinMarketCap. We can take a dive into right now the Fear and Greed Index sitting at 37. Bitcoin's down 1.65%, almost 2% now in the last hour. And Shiba Inu down, like I said, almost 3%. Trading hands at 401673. Needs to get back in the top 10. And that's something as we sit just a little bit below a $10 billion market cap. It's a very strong bet, okay? In terms of meme coins, it's always going to be Doge and Shib at the top for me. And Shiba Inu right now is in pole position to make a move. And I think what we're talking about with some of this, some of the metrics surrounding Shibarium, and we talked about their layer 2, that ecosystem. That's something that Shib has that other meme coins don't, okay? And just to put it simply, it's not really being felt right now, but I think it's very bullish for the long-term perspective of Shib, and the Shib army is strong as ever. So that's kind of what we have to hold on to. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll continue to cover Shib every single day here on the channel. So stay the course. Let's get through this little lull, if you will, and as we get closer into 2025, I think that's where we really get a 9-month window where crypto really starts to take form and has a nice run. So appreciate you all watching. Make sure you subscribe down below, smash that like button, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.